How's it going, folks? Once again, I started a project without doing the before stuff. Flip you around. Customer of mine gave me this and a lot of other stuff. Actually, he was a master gardener, and him and his wife decided to move into an assisted living facility and just gave me all of his gardening stuff. I think this was maybe a potting station or something. I don't know, but it was real wobbly. And I've just been out here in the shop adding supports to it, forward and back, side to side. Also took the weed burner and scorched it. I'm about to start staining it. It's gonna be my wife's Mother's Day present. She's seen it before I started any of this, cleaning it up. So hoping she likes it when it's done. I plan on setting it in a spot on the back porch and putting some tools and plants and stuff up there for her, so you know she gets a surprise when she walks out there and looks at it Mother's Day morning. But I'll hit y'all up with the finished results. I'm gonna wait right now. Out here setting up my wife's Mother's Day surprise I've been working on. I think it turned out pretty good. Back up. Now I just gotta get it set up. Alright, there she goes, set up. At least like partially. I'm sure my wife's gonna add more stuff to it, but got her some potting soil, a few little succulents. She already had these vegetables. Needed to be potted up. We've been working on that this weekend, but hopefully she'll like this. Here's some of the other stuff that we've been potting up. Getting our pot vegetable garden going. I had to move that from the spot where the potting rack is now, and it only stabbed me like 1,900 times. I'm bleeding like a stuck pig out of my arm. But now it's time to go inside and make coffee and cook breakfast and get some smells going. That's hopefully gonna wake everybody up gently. I almost forgot. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy.
Can you say Happy Mother's Day?
No.
No, you're heavy.
Yeah.
All right. Y'all have a good one.